Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to the glorious 51st episode of Campus This Week. I am Arjani from English Department Sonada 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Anandam Super Specialty Hospital, Siliguri. Salesian College Physics HOD is exchange faculty at Holy Cross College. Dr. Prajwal Chetri reports from Trichy.
On arrival here in Trichy on 29th March, I was cordially received. After introductory meetings with the management on the following day, I started classes on material science and nanotechnology in 6 modules for a group of around 100 students comprising UG and PG students from the Department of Physics and Chemistry. Between classes, I had interaction with faculty members in charge of physics, chemistry, and also visited labs. I was happy to meet with the principal scientist from the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Kodaikanal, who could help us to structure astronomical observatory in the campus. I hosted 2 separate sessions regarding Northeast Indian culture, tradition, and food habits for English department, as well as a combined session for economics, commerce, and history departments. Besides interaction with faculty members of language labs and rehabilitation science, I met with the research cell in presence of Holy Cross College principal on possible areas of collaboration. I shall be completing my 30 hours lecture course on 12th April and shall be returning on 13th April 2022.
Siliguri, Salesian alumni hold blood donation camp collects 170 units of blood. Nihapatra of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri alumni organized blood donation camp on 30th March 2022 in association with Blood Point Siliguri, a blood bank partner of Siliguri Terai Lions Blood Center. Students and faculty members of respective departments along with the principal took part in the 5 hours long program, which concluded at 3 p.m. in Gillian Hall. A group of 2 doctors and 7 staff from Terai Blood Bank and Hospital were present to facilitate the camp. After filling medical form giving health-related information, each donor went through medical examination, like checking weight, pressure and body temperature. After blood donation, each donor received light refreshments as well as donor card.
Siliguri, NSS marks Autism Day with Common Assembly. Student Council President Al-Mazareen of Mathematics Department 6th semester reports.
Of NSS Unit 2 Salesian College, Siliguri conducted a special assembly on 1st April 2022 for spreading awareness regarding the Autism Day, which is observed on 2nd April. It was a combined assembly for the students of Commerce, Science and Arts Deaneries. The assembly started with the usual prayer by Brother Sudeep Mandal, followed by an introductory speech on autism by Pratyusha Singh Roy. A self-composed poetry recitation on autism by Aditi Agarwal was followed by Thought of the Day by Ritik Raj Sahu. Autism spectrum disorder is a condition related to brain development that impacts how a person perceives and socializes with others. Common symptoms include difficulty with communication, difficulty with social interactions, obsessive interest, and repetitive behaviors.
Siliguri, NCC cadets bid farewell to batch of 2022. Senior Under Officer Shivangi Lepcha reports.
On 2nd April, Salesian College Siliguri, NCC,
Bravo Company bid farewell to 19 cadets from 3rd year. Associate NCC officer Lieutenant Trisha Chetri along with 1st and 2nd year cadets organized the event. After lighting of the ceremonial lamp, entertainment programs like dancing, singing and games were held. ANO Lieutenant Trisha Chetri gave the farewell message and all 30 cadets were awarded with customized mementos.
Sonada, Salesian college student in the lead role of first international feature film from Darjeeling, Shreyashi Saha of Mass Communication 4th semester reports.
Mrinal Singh of Sociology Department, batch of 2021, is cast in the lead role of Broken Wings, the first feature film to come out of Darjeeling in the Indian and international cinema world. Directed by Shenpen Kyamzir, the film tells a tragic story of love and prejudice. Set post-1986 Gorkhaland agitation in Darjeeling. It is inspired by true incidents. The film also features Salesian College principal and faculty in minor roles. The film Broken Wings is due for release in India on 29th April 2022.
Those are the latest news from campus this week. This show is brought to you by Anandam Super Specialty Hospital, Siliguri. Enjoy the rest of your day.